What's up? What's going on, everybody? What's today? Tuesday, June the 4th. Y'all ready to make some money? Let's go to work. Let's go to work. S&P right now is down a little bit. No big deal. I'm going to have that scrolling across the top. If you guys are interested in joining the members area, just check the description or check out the information above. Let me go ahead and let everybody in the room and let's get to work. What's up? Hopefully y'all are doing well today. Just kind of looking at the market overall. Silver's down a little bit, 2.24%. Oil's down. Russell 2000's down. Gold, S&P's down 12. Dow Jones 69. NASDAQ. So all the indexes are down. Bonds up a little bit. The VIX is up. Market opens up in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. We got a news item at 9. So we need to be mindful of that. Other than that, we're good to go. How y'all doing? Crypto banter, right? All right, good deal. Everybody should be joining in here in a second. I sent the link out to all the members. For the most part, I day trade live on this channel every day, and then we day trade on the members only area for a while. We do options, stocks, crypto, all that stuff. So the members area is not just day trading. It's swing trading options, it's stocks, crypto, all sorts of stuff. All right. We're good to go. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. See how this day brings. Oh, not too bad. Not too bad. How long y'all been trading the S&P 500? What's going on, John?
Good morning, Jeff. How are you?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
I'm going to have to leave about 9:30, so I won't be here for the swing trading class.
Oh, you got to take off?
Yeah.
It's all good, man. Yeah, you started to break up right there. It's all good. Yeah.
Yes, I will be here after 9:30 or so.
Oh, gotcha. There you go. You sound better now. What's up, Brandon? What's up, Roth? Yeah, my computer, my charts look fine. I know you were having some issues, but mine look all right. What's going on, Jeff? Can't hear you, Jeff. Can't hear you. I don't know if you're talking, but I can't hear you.
Hey, there we go.
There it is. What's going on?
Good morning, guys. Just all kinds of weird little system anomalies this morning.
Did y'all have any issues or?
Well, Ralph, I had that comment in the chat this morning, and I saw the same thing on my two charts. But I mean, otherwise, getting in here, I just had some.
Rafa said his toss charts froze.
Yeah, there's a gap in the last
right here
chart, 1 minute. Yeah, and I saw the same thing, and that gap there was about 20 minutes of data that was missing out.
Oh, wow, really?
Yeah, but the bid was fine.
Interesting. Interesting.
Yeah.
Well, seems to work now, so I guess that's all that matters, right?
Well,
seems to work.
It wasn't like that hiccup that Warren Buffett had yesterday.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, I did.
I think that drove the market quite a bit too. It was right about that time frame.
Yeah, I saw it. They were talking about it on Twitter. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Well, then you know what? Life goes on. Here we go, guys. We got 30 seconds. Let's see what we got today. Hey, we're here now. We're good. Let's get ready to rock and roll. So we do have a news announcement at 9. Jolt's job opening. Rafa posted that in there. Everything seems to be down right now except the VIX and the bond. Yeah, at about 28 minutes. Wow. Yeah, that's crazy, Rolf. Marco!
What up? What up?
What up? What up, Marco? Good to see you, my friend. Here we go. Here we go. Good to see you guys. We are. Wow, that's a pretty big ass candle. Yesterday's a good. I mean, shit. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Yesterday's a strong day. I didn't have any swing trades. You know, I closed out my other one last week, but my stocks were up good. My stocks have, you know, it's like everything else, man. They seem to go up for about 2 or 3 days. And then they go down for about 2 or 3 days. And then they go back up. So we'll see. A dude marked Charles's pivots. Charles's bias down pivot is 92. Charles's up pivot is 08. So we'll pay attention to that and go from there. Let about 3 minutes shake out. Give it about 2 minutes to go. Here we go. Everything looking good. Set the rock and roll. Let's see, what did Charles? Has he posted anything this morning yet? No, we're good. Just about that issue. Seems to be fine right now. About 1:30. Again, I'm going to let this candle shake out. Go from there. Ticks are down this morning to start off. So I will be looking to go short. That's going to be my first line of attack. I will be looking to go short. So let me go ahead and set up over here on the active trade on the other screen. So I'm looking to go short. That's the higher probability. Doesn't mean it's going to work, but it's the higher probability. Short. Watch the VWAP. Cool. All right. I'm just kind of scanning around, looking at the different groups. I think I'm going to go ahead and mark this area right there. 88. This looks like it's coming right down into that VWAP. Market's down 13. All right, I'm going to go ahead and mark that area right there. 82.25. All right, here we go. So I'm looking to go short. We either got a break to the down or the upside. I prefer taking the breakout to the downside. That's the higher probability shot. But we'll watch and see. Okay, you got the VIX. Everything looks good. All right, market's down 12. Here we go. Just be mindful of the traps. Be mindful of the fake outs. And let's see what happens. So again, I am looking for that setup, that break to the downside to go short with our signal. All right, here we go. Let me zoom in to our entry. 61. Charles says 61. Okay, hang on. This happened fast. $80. So if it goes back, I was fast. So if it goes back down to 80, I'm going to get in. Okay, right there. I'll get in at the 80. All right, I'm in. It's going to be a quick trade. See if this momentum follows through. But again, I'll get out really quick. I don't want to mess around with this. Yeah, I don't want to mess around with this too much, okay? Just want to get a quick little pop. There we go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and sell half. There we go. Yes, yes, yes. So I've already sold half. And I'm going to go ahead and sell the rest right now. Out. All right, I'm out. 100%. Bam! That was a quick little pop. Here we go. I'm out. So we did good. Right there, I made 11 cents on that trade. All right. Trade number 1, victory, baby. Mark, we just took a trade. I made 11 cents.
Good morning, Jeff.
Hey.
It's okay. As long as you made money, that's fine.
Oh, yes, sir, baby. You know, with these trades here right off of the bat, I'm really quick on my management. One of the things, if it's within that first 15 minutes, I'm not going for my full target. I'm literally just going for half, but I'm adjusting quick. So that trade right there, I'm out. I made 11 cents on trade 1. Not much, but I'll take it all day on the option. All right, let's reset. So 1 for 1 so far. Quick little pop. Bam. Quick 11 cents. That was fast. Anybody else jump in? Quick 11 cents. Now I'm resetting, okay? All right. Let me just erase these lines. Again, I'm treating the way I'm working on my management. And in that first 15 minutes, I'm just looking for a quick little pop. I'm not looking for no runners, man. So I got 11 cents. I will take that all day. You know, you do 50 contracts. That's over $500. I'm okay with that. All right, so now we're working our way back to the upside. So I might flip it and look to go long. So we broke down. We might end up trapping, which again, I got in and out. That's one reason why I wanted to just jump in and out. It didn't even move much. But I'll take it. So right now, I want to see if this can hold or if we can break up through that 88. Again, I got in and I literally got out quick. Like, bam. I am not messing around, especially within that first 3 minutes. Again, if it's under 15 minutes, I'm really adjusting my style because very rarely does it run our full length. By then, it's very volatile like this. So anyway, 1 for 1 on that bad boy. I'll take it. Who's there? Somebody popped into YouTube. What's up? What's up? So we're day trading the S&P 500 live. I can't say your name. Yosef? We're day trading the S&P 500. I also have a private members area, so there's students in here right now. And that's what we do. That's what we're trading. Then we trade the New York session. So this is the Globex session. First 30 minutes, we go live on YouTube, and then we trade and teach and go over the rules during the New York session. So there you go. We're trading the S&P 500. All right, guys, so sit back. All right, now here, let's kind of take a look and reset. Now, we had this, write that down. We have one trap. You see right here, that's information. The 2 candle patterns, a trap. That tells us something. I'm glad I jumped out. That's what it tells me. I'm glad I jumped out. You can go ahead and erase the lines. Make sure you have the software in the members area for toss because it draws all the major key levels for you. I like to draw the key levels, but then the software draws them more accurate. I'm giving it to you for free. Everybody in the members area, you have that. I didn't create it. One of the students did, but he said everybody in the members area can have it. So there you go. And that's huge. That right there is worth more money than even what you pay to join a members area. Or 1 for 1. Let's just be patient, right? Not doing nothing. I'm in no trade. We took this trade, got out literally in less than 2 minutes. I'm working on that management, man. Really quick. Those first 2 minute market's down 15. Dow Jones is down 75. Remember, we got a big announcement at 9, the JOLTS job openings. Be mindful. It's not doing much.
Jeff, that's an important news item this morning.
Yeah, we have a at 9 o'clock. We have the JOLTS job open. It's a red item, so we want to be mindful of all those red items. So we'll once we get into the New York session, we'll see it happen live, and then we'll react. But yeah, brother. And that trade that we took, literally, we took it within the first less than 6 minutes. We took it about only 4 minutes into the open. I was out in less than 2 minutes. That's good, though, because, look, it ain't doing nothing. All right. We're 11 minutes into the market. It's just chopping around sideways. We wait for our shot, right? We'll call it out. What's the setup? What's the probability? You can take a break of the 88 area. Okay, that's the next opportunity. But right this moment, this is a lower probability break right now. That could change at any minute once the 15 minutes sets up. So just kind of wait. I'm looking to mark this area, but I just want to wait another minute or so before I do it because it might not hold. Pretty flat. Silver's taking a kind of a beating. Gold. Still waiting for crypto to take off, man. It's driving me nuts. Every day I look at it, and over the last month and a half, almost 2 months, it's literally been in the same damn spot. I don't think that some bitch has moved in 2 months. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mark this level down here. Right there. 75. There it is. 7. I'm going to mark it thick. Okay, it's a major key level. I'm going to go ahead and mark the VIX, starting to mark up the VIX. 1377. My kid's got baseball again today. Got a baseball camp going on here. We got Charles's bias down pivot at 92. That's a key level. We're good to go. Very tight range so far. Not much happening. They're probably waiting for this news item at 9. I mean, we'll see. I have no problem taking a quick little pop, just like I did. Literally, I was in that trade for less than 2 minutes. No problem with that. Again, 11 cents. You do 50 contracts, $500. And literally, not even 2 minutes. How many people go to work all day and don't make $500? They work all day. All right, let's go ahead and mark this level. So I'm going to double up on this key area right here. 88. We're doubling up. I don't know what they're doing. They better hurry up and take off to the baseball. I think starts at 9. Thanks, brother. Yeah, I was out fast, Rafa. I saw it do what I wanted to do. Then it didn't follow through. And I'm just I was out. And again, I think within those first 15 minutes, I'm not expecting much. I'm literally want to get in. I'm going to cut down half of my target, but if it doesn't do what I want it to do, I'm out fast. Once you know we're past that, yeah, tighter style. Oh, just on that under the 15 minutes. Once we get to the 15 minutes, like we're about to, like now, I mean, it can run farther. But that first under 15 minutes, no, I'm not messing around. All right, guys. So I'm going to be looking to go long. We got Charles's pivot, though. So I'm going to go ahead and get set up on the long side. All right. So I'm looking for a breakup. That's the higher probability. But we got to watch Charles's pivot, okay? We don't want to get caught in front of that pivot. We know how important that area is. Right up to this 88. It's a very powerful level. We got to break it. But I will be looking to go long. If we can break and we can get it rolling. But we got to watch this 92 area. That might change the way I manage it. What's up? What's up? Insanity. I love it, dude. Yeah, I'm out. I got in that trade. I got out in less than 2 minutes. Exactly. Yeah, I agree. Cut it down with a samurai sword. Now we're waiting, right? I think that's a good idea, man. Early on, we know it doesn't run too much. Just change the way you do it, right, guys? So right now, since we're inside the 15-minute range, I'll be a little bit more patient. But look at it. It came right up to this key level and sold off. Isn't that interesting? But no, I'm not in it. I'm out. The VIX is breaking down, so that's good. Look at the VIX, right? VIX is breaking down. So that's letting me know the higher probability is we're going to break to the upside, right? If 1360 holds, ticks are climbing. We're watching that 88 area, okay, to go long on a break. But watch this 92 pivot. That's Charles's buys down pivot. All right. So here we go. This is the higher probability shot on a break to the upside, but you got to wait for our entry signal. You can erase the line because the software draws it. Again, if you're in the members area, you get the code that draws the key levels for you. Hey, do good today at baseball, buddy. Bye. Love you. Do good. I'll pick you up. All right. So the higher probability, guys, break into the upside. Look at the VIX crashing. Again, we got the news item. Just got to be careful. I'm not in this trade. Again, wait for your entry signal. Got a lot of videos in the members area on that. So we're just kind of watching, right? Watch this. Look at it selling off right at our key level. I mean, it is balls accurate, man. But the probability is right this second that this is still going to go right back up. But getting some mixed messages. Again, I'm looking for a break up through here to go long. Be mindful of the VWAP. S&P's down 11. Dow Jones is actually up now. That's fucking weird. All right, we're good to go. Draws it for you. So we're just going to wait. No hurry. We've already made 11 cents on our option. I'm using, somebody asked me, what am I using? I use TOS, right? TOS. right here. I'm using the Active Trader platform. So that's what I use. I have 2 screens, and so I trade via the Active Trader. So I don't know how people can do it with one. So I have the 2 screens. Like I'm looking at it here, which y'all see, and on the other screen is where I'm just kind of pushing the button. Still watching for a break up through this key area. It's having a hard time. Remember, we're momentum. Hence the word momentum. There's no momentum, we don't do nothing. Or if we're in the trade and there's no momentum, we get out quick like I just did a minute ago. You got to recognize what's going to happen as soon as possible. Hey, a couple point move can get you a lot of money. So you don't need to have it run to the damn moon. All right? All right, so there's information up here. So we're looking to take, so here you go, guys. So you can take a breakout to the upside. For those of you in the room, right? Brandon, Jeff, John, Mark, Rafa, Marco. This is a lower probability break. With the information, this now becomes lower probability. And if you want to know why it's a low probability, in our private chat, ask the question. We'll talk about it. Or just write the note down. And then we'll talk about it. Because you've got to understand which is the high probability setup and which is the low probability setup. Because that's going to change the way you manage it. So if you don't understand, write it down. And when we get into the New York session, we'll go over it. All right, you got to have a bias. Up or down. Or nothing. It's a low probability. Wait for your setup, right? Is it a low? Then is it a low or high probability? And then did you get your entry signal? Your entry signal is either going to be valid or invalidated, right? We talk about all this stuff. We've been trading this for 4 years and 10 months. Every day. Pretty much every day. Just the S&P. Just be patient. About 23 minutes into the market open, we squeezed out 11 cents in about less than 2 minutes. Now we're just waiting. Okay, I do see a fake out. So we had a fake out a minute ago. So we've got one trap, which that's what we made money on because we recognized the trap and we got out. We got in the trade. We recognized that it was about to trap us. So we got out for a quick profit. There's also been a fake out. So the fake out gives us information. It determines if setups are low or high probability. Right now, if you take this break to the upside, it's a low probability. Other than that, looks like we've paralyzed, right? 5 minutes and 55 seconds. You have the JOLTS job openings, right? So probably just hanging tight for that. Look, the VIX is climbing back up. The VIX is about to throw out a trap also. That's interesting. I went short. I went short earlier. I saw that it was about to trap, so I jumped out, made 11 cents. And, you can trade the ES, which I did, the MES. You can do calls and puts on the SPY. So I'm trading calls and puts on the SPY. Quick 11 cents, 50 contracts. Yeah. Just kind of in and out, right? So what we do, because somebody said, so what do y'all do, right? Here's the deal. You know, I'm just talking because right now I don't want you guys to do anything. There's nothing happening. Just back off. So the first 30 minutes is the Globex session. It's very tricky. There's a lot of fake outs, a lot of traps. You got to adjust the way you do things. Quicker to your targets, all that good stuff. At 9 o'clock comes the New York session. The New York session, that's whenever you're going to see, you know, how are the New York traders going to trade it today? Are institutions, right, present? The big money. Is there going to be momentum? We have a news item. So what we do is on YouTube for the first 30 minutes, not every day, but the majority of the days we go live. Like right now, we're live. We trade live, right? But we also have a members area that people are, the students right now in there. We're talking back and forth in our private chat. Then at 9 o'clock, we jump off of YouTube and we just focus in the members area. And we day trade for about another 45 minutes to an hour. And then we get into option swing trading, stock, and crypto, all in the members area. But we do that. We go over the rules, the trading plan, our entry signals. All that is in the members area. I don't do that here on YouTube. And it's scrolling across the top. And in the description of the videos is information on that. We got about 3 minutes to go. So really quick, if you take this break to the downside or the upside, right now they're lower probability because you got this announcement coming up. Hey, you're welcome.
Hey, Jeff, offhand, what were Charles's down pivots again?
Charles's down pivot is 92. We're below it quite a bit. Yeah, Charles's up pivot is 08. His down pivot's 92. So we're below the bias down pivot right now. So it, but again, at 9:15 is where the pivots will trigger a bias, and that's also going to dictate the way that Charles does his stuff. So we got 2 minutes before this big announcement, right? The JOLTS job openings, 2 minutes and 14 seconds. So what we need to do is, because we're too close to that announcement, we need to wait. We don't want to trade the actual announcement. We want to trade the reaction to the announcement. The VIX is back in indecision. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do these key levels. So that looks like our morning VIX key levels. I'm going to mark another level right here. So we got several areas right here. We got the pivots. We got these ranges. It's going to be an interesting New York session. We'll see if we can make a lot more money. Thanks for joining in on YouTube. If you want to join us in the members area, click the link. Come on in. You'll learn the rules. We'll go over it. If not, I'll be back live on YouTube for the Globex session tomorrow. Brandon, Jeff, John, Marky, Mark, Rafa, Marco. Let's go ahead and get ready to trade the New York session. All right? Peace out.